National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a dust storm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 8 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Ottawa, Illinois to near Wheatfield, Indiana, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, webcam imagery. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile marker 66 and 77. Interstate 55 between mile markers 250 and 269. Interstate 57 between mile markers 339 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 124 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 104 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 62 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 62 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 14. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 254 and 261. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Palos Heights, Dyer, Preston Heights, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Orland Hills, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Crestwood, East Chicago, Avalon. Here is your